Have you ever noticed how some women over 50 just have that aura of quiet wealth? I've spent hours studying their style, and guess what? It's not just about the brands they wear, but the colors they choose. Today, I'll share these secret color combinations with you and how you can use them too. But there's one surprising shade at the end that caught me off guard. Stay tuned to find out what makes it unique. Let's start with a staple I noticed right away: neutral tones. Shades like beige, cream, and greige are staples of the ultra-rich. They provide an understated elegance that lets the quality and tailoring of an outfit shine. I've seen these tones in everything from tailored trench coats to relaxed cashmere sweaters. Neutral tones create a calm, harmonious palette, perfect for layering and accessorizing. The trick to making neutrals work is texture. A silk cream blouse feels luxurious and catches the light in just the right way, while a taupe wool coat gives warmth and structure. I always look for neutral pieces with interesting weaves or subtle patterns to add depth without feeling busy. Have you tried this? It's like upgrading your basics without shouting for attention. And here's my personal tip: pair different neutral shades together. I love wearing cream with taupe or mixing beige with greige. It creates a tonal effect that looks intentional and effortlessly chic. Honestly, it's my go-to combination when I want to look stylish but low-key. Neutral outfits are also the perfect base for adding a pop of color with accessories like a scarf, belt, or handbag. Next, let's talk about navy. It's often called the softer black for a reason. Navy has this incredible ability to feel elegant without being overpowering. For instance, I always reach for a tailored navy blazer when I want to look sharp but approachable. It's perfect for formal events or even casual outings when paired with jeans. Navy's adaptability is why it's a staple in my wardrobe. What makes navy so special is how it pairs beautifully with other colors. Add a touch of gold jewelry, and suddenly it feels regal. Or pair it with white for a crisp, nautical vibe. Navy also works well with patterns like stripes, checks, or florals for a playful yet sophisticated look. I think of it as the workhorse of elegant dressing. It's that one color that never feels overdone. A little style secret I've discovered is layering navy with other deep shades like burgundy or forest green. It creates a rich, dimensional look that feels fresh and modern. Try it with a navy cashmere sweater over a burgundy turtleneck, and you'll see what I mean. Navy is also excellent for evening wear. Want to know where I get my navy wardrobe essentials? Check out the links in the description box below. Let's switch gears to whites that dazzle. I'm not just talking about your average white tee. Crisp, clean whites like a perfectly tailored white button-down shirt or a structured winter white coat feel so elevated. White outfits radiate attention to detail, and wearing them says, "I take care of myself." Whites also photograph beautifully, so they're a fantastic choice for special occasions. What's special about white is that it highlights your fabric choices like no other color. A flowing white dress in silk or a structured cotton poplin shirt showcases quality craftsmanship. I once wore an all-white outfit to a summer party, and let me tell you, it turned heads in the best way. Have you ever tried an all-white look? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Combining white with white or its subtle variations creates a look that is as clean as it is impactful. A winter white coat paired with cream trousers and a white cashmere scarf is my go-to for a holiday gathering or an outdoor event. It's like wearing a canvas of light. It reflects elegance in the simplest way. Adding metallic accessories like gold or silver creates an even more elevated feel. Women like Christine Lagarde often embrace white for its pure and refined appeal. And here's something you might not expect. Whites aren't just for summer or formal settings. A white blazer over a black turtleneck with dark denim creates a chic, everyday look. It's about mixing the classic sharpness of white with more casual, grounded pieces for balance. Experiment with fabrics too. White corduroy or wool can look unexpectedly luxurious during cooler months. Let's dive into ruby red, a color synonymous with power, passion, and undeniable elegance. Ruby red is one of those shades that has been embraced by rich women like Julia Louis-Dreyfus. Ruby red is perfect for those moments when you want to stand out with understated elegance. I love pairing a ruby red silk blouse with beige trousers. It's unexpected yet classic, making you feel powerful without trying too hard. For evening wear, ruby red is a true showstopper. A fitted ruby red dress paired with gold or nude pumps feels like pure luxury. It's also a great choice for accessories, like a red leather clutch or red suede heels. I once attended an art gala wearing a ruby red cocktail dress, and the compliments were endless. It's just one of those colors that naturally draws the eye. What's special about ruby red is its versatility. While it's bold, it's not overpowering. You can easily pair it with softer tones like blush for a romantic vibe, or with black for a dramatic, sleek look. Take inspiration from Carolina Herrera, who often uses deep reds in her personal style to exude grace and confidence. The key is to let the color take center stage while keeping the rest of the outfit simple. Pastels often get overlooked, but these soft, dreamy shades can be incredibly powerful when styled well. Think blush pink, powder blue, and lavender. They're light, airy, and whisper elegance rather than shouting it. Pastels are especially popular among ultra-rich women because they bring a sense of calm and refinement to any look. Take Queen Letizia of Spain, for example. She has a way of incorporating pastel tones into her wardrobe that makes her outfits look both modern and regal. A powder blue dress with nude heels or a blush pink blazer with cream trousers creates an effortlessly chic aesthetic that works for any occasion. One reason pastels are such a great choice is their versatility. You can pair them with other neutrals for a soft, monochromatic look, or with deeper tones like navy or charcoal for contrast. For example, I love wearing a mint green sweater with dark gray slacks. It's an unexpected combination that still feels polished. Pastels also work well as accent colors. Imagine a lavender scarf over a beige trench coat, or powder blue pumps with an all-white outfit. These touches might seem small, but they have a way of making an outfit stand out without overwhelming it. And here's a pro tip. Pastels aren't just for spring or summer. They can work beautifully in colder months too. The key is in the fabric and pairing. A pastel pink cashmere sweater layered under a camel coat is a winter outfit that looks as warm as it feels. The trick is to balance them with darker, richer tones or cozy textures for a look that feels appropriate and elevated all year round. And now, the surprising shade I mentioned earlier is teal. This one completely caught me off guard. It's not overly bold or loud, but has just the right amount of richness to make an outfit feel special. I was skeptical at first, but once I saw how effortlessly it pairs with other colors, I was sold. Women like Jennifer Lopez have worn teal in breathtaking ways, proving its timeless appeal. One of my favorite ways to incorporate teal is through accents. A teal scarf paired with a navy blazer feels both fresh and intentional, adding depth without overpowering the look. For a slightly bolder statement, a teal blouse tucked into white trousers creates a crisp, modern aesthetic. I recently wore this combination to a casual brunch, and the compliments didn't stop. It's the kind of color that makes people take a second look, not because it's flashy, but because it's unexpected and chic. Teal also transitions beautifully between seasons. In the summer, it pairs effortlessly with lighter tones like cream or blush, while in the cooler months, it looks stunning against navy, charcoal, or even burgundy. I've even experimented with teal accessories like a structured handbag or suede pumps, and they've become go-to pieces in my wardrobe. What's amazing is how versatile this shade is. Whether it's the focal point or a subtle detail, teal has this magic of elevating an outfit instantly. If you like to incorporate this color in your wardrobe, check out the links in the description box below. I've handpicked a few teal must-haves for you. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love this next one, where I share tips on how you can pull off the rich Ralph Lauren look. It's all about that timeless American elegance, and I'll share every secret to making it work for you.